The TL494 IC is a fixed frequency current mode PWM controller IC with all the functions that are required in the construction of the pulse width modulation PWM control circuit on a single chip. The TL494 device incorporates all the functions required in the construction of a pulse width modulation PWM control circuit on a single chip. Designed primarily for power supply control, this device offers the flexibility to tailor the power supply control circuitry to a specific application. The TL494 device contains two error amplifiers, an on-chip adjustable oscillator, a dead time control DDC comparator, a pulse steering control flip-flop, a 5V, 5% precision regulator, and output control circuits. The error amplifiers exhibit a common mode voltage range from 0.3V to VCC, 2V. The dead time control comparator has a fixed offset that provides approximately 5% dead time. The on-chip oscillator can be bypassed by terminating RT to the reference output and providing a sawtooth input to CT, or it can drive the common circuits in synchronous multiple rail power supplies. The uncommitted output transistors provide either common emitter or emitter follower output capability. The TL494 device provides for push-pull or single-ended output operation, which can be selected through the output control function. The architecture of this device prohibits the possibility of either output being pulsed twice during push-pull operation. The TL494C device is characterized for operation from 0 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The TL494I device is characterized for operation from 40 degrees C to 85 degrees Celsius.